Today on Passion for Food, we're going to make these delicious Cheddar-Rice pepper cups. And not only are these vegetarian, but they're so delicious they are easily the belle of the ball. And they're so easy to make, don't be surprised when you're peppering these into your regular weekly routine. Anyway, we better go ahead and get started here before I stuff in any more terrible food puns. In our medium pot, we're going to want 1 cup of rice, along with about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon and a half of salt, and about half a teaspoon of MSG. No need to be scared of MSG, guys. It's our friend. And next up here, I have 1 medium onion. And I figured I could probably just crush. Whoops. Okay, there we go. And finally, 2 cups of water. Once this comes up to a simmer for us, we're going to go ahead and cover that and cook it on low for about 20 minutes. Once this delicious seasoned rice is fully cooked, we just want to fluff it up a little bit, and then I'm actually just going to partially cover this and let it cool for about 20 minutes. But thanks to the magic of editing, we don't have to wait. So we're going to go ahead and transfer this into a large bowl. And here's what takes these to the next level. We're going to add about 5 ounces of water chestnuts chopped. And we're also going to add 5 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. Trust me, it's great. We'll just get that all incorporated together. And then comes the most important step of all, taste for seasoning. I originally only used 1 teaspoon of salt, and this needed another half teaspoon. That's why I upped the recipe to a teaspoon and a half initially, but still taste yours and adjust for seasoning as necessary. Once we're happy with that, it's time to pick a pepper. It doesn't have to be a particular pepper, but to turn this into a pocket pepper, we do want to pop off the top. But if you do want to get particular with your peppers, you see how this has 4 little compartments, those 4 little feet on the bottom? That means it's a female pepper. The female peppers tend to be a little sweeter and the seeds are easier to remove, so you can look for that. Anyway, the amount of rice we made is enough for 4 jumbo peppers. So while we get that stuffed in here, have you heard about the green pepper that couldn't practice its archery? Yeah, apparently it didn't habanero. Alright, we'll go ahead and transfer these to a parchment-lined baking sheet. But hang on, we're not done yet. We're also going to top these with some buttered breadcrumbs. That's just about half a cup of breadcrumbs with 2 tablespoons of butter mixed in. You could simply top these with cheese or regular breadcrumbs, but the buttered breadcrumbs really make them special. Once those are in tip-top shape, we'll go ahead and whisk this off to a 400-degree oven where they're going to bake for about 40 minutes. Once those are done, we'll just pull them out, and we probably should let them sit and cool a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and cut one of these in half and serve immediately. Me and my wife really loved how these turn out. We definitely have no beef with these at all. That cheesy chili-infused rice pairs wonderfully with those buttery breadcrumbs and soft roasted bell pepper. I really hope you've enjoyed today's recipe on Passion for Food. If you have, don't forget to smash that like button below, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you don't miss our future videos. And check out one of the other awesome recipes on the screen now. This has been Graham with Passion for Food.